Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is CoinX and you're welcome to CoinX the producer. Universal Audio just gave out vintage inspired synths called PolyMAX for free, but it's just for a limited time. If this is something you are interested to have, make sure you don't sleep on this one. So let's talk about what PolyMAX is. This is a virtual analog synthesizer, which means it recreates the sound of old school analog synths like the Juno, the Prophet, and others that shaped the 70s and 80s sound. So when you're thinking about it, think of warm, fat, rich sounds, but right inside your door. Now, PolyMAX was designed to be simple, powerful, and fun, even if you've never touched a synth before. It is made by Universal Audio, like I said earlier. It is based on vintage hardware. It has a very clean, easy to use interface, as you can see on the screen, and it sounds professional out of the box. So let us hear a few sounds straight from the preset browser so you can feel the vibe of this plugin. And you can agree with me, these sounds are super cool. And you don't have to tweak anything if you don't want. Just pick a preset and play. Now, don't worry if all the knobs look intimidating. I will try to break it down super simply. First, you can see the oscillator section, which you can call the voice. These generate the sound. I mean, you can pick a shape like the saw, square, triangle, and it changes the character of the sound. The next is the filter, which is the tone control. So if you want your sound smooth or sharp, this feature here, which is the filter, lets you remove high or low frequencies for that warm analog sound. The next is the envelope, which simply shapes the sound. Alright, so talking about the ADSR, which is the attack, delay, sustain, and release, these features just control how fast or slow the sound fades in and out. Now, the next is the LFO, which is typically for movement. So LFO means low frequency oscillator. This feature adds a wobble or pulse. Just think of it as motion for your sound. Alright, let's build a Lush pad in under 60 seconds and I'll walk you through step by step how you can do that. You can as well follow along. First, let's start from the initial presets, as you can see. Once that is selected, the next step is to choose a saw wave on both oscillators. So let me quickly do that. Alright, now the third step is to turn down the filter cutoff for once. Alright. Now the fourth one is we are going to add a slow attack and release in the envelope. So let's check out what that adds to the sound. I believe you can hear that now, alright? So the next step now will be adding a reverb for space. Now finally, let's create a chord with what we just created. Awesome. So this is a pretty easy way to start up if you are new to creating your sound using a Synth VST plugin. So that is it. You've just made your first analog style pad using PolyMAX. Now, I know the question will be, does this really worth it? Here is the deal. I would advise to grab this plugin right now, and the reason is this. It is an analog synth sound without the hardware. It's perfect for beginners. It's not going to stress you. With the simple interface, is self-explanatory. Instant inspiration from the great presets. You can see we tried out. It has pro quality sounds and it is free, though for a limited time, which is the reason it is important to grab it now that it's still available. And as you can see from the demonstration, it has no complex learning curve. Straight to the point, right? So if you've been looking for that go-to synth to level up your sound, this is a no-brainer, especially while it is still available for free. The last video I made, someone left a comment calling me a scammer just because he struggled with finding out how to download it. Probably he's registering the pop-up news letter section that comes up when you open up the site, and after filling the form and the rest of it, he didn't get any mail. Or maybe the available licenses are all used up, so I don't know what the situation is. But it's so sad he labeled me what he labeled me. So for that reason, I'm going to show you how you can download this, and please have in mind it is a limited time offer. Alright, so grab it as soon as you can, and sometimes I'm too busy to go back on the post to re-edit the title to show you that the limited offer has expired. So click the link in the description, which will take you to my blog post, and on the blog post scroll down towards the end, you'll see the link. Click on that, sign up for a free universal audio account, that is if you don't have it already. Once that is done, then download the UAD X or iLok software if it pops up, if they ask. Okay, now install the PolyMAX, open your door and scan it, you're good to go. But in some situations like myself, what I experienced, I already have UAD account. So what I did was just to open up the UA Connect. Then on the UA Connect, since the account connected to the UA Connect is the email where they sent the free offer, which is the plugin to, so it's automatically linked. All I needed to do was just activate it. It will pop up there, activate it, and activate the license, download, install, scan your door, and you're good to go. So guys, that will be it for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more free plugin finds, and leave a comment with your favorite Polymax preset so far. And hey, grab this one before it disappears. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.